Once upon a time, in the heart of ancient Persia, there was a city whose name was whispered like a spell. A city, where history unfolded like a beautiful tapestry, every thread woven with tales of kings, poets, and enchanting gardens. Join us on a mesmerizing journey through the centuries, as we unveil the magical history of Shiraz, the city of nightingales, roses, and eternal love. The treasure trove of Iran, Shiraz, is a settlement that dates back to the Achaemenid era. It is known as the city of poem and literacy, since it is housing well-known Persian poets' tombs including Hafez and Sa'di. Shiraz is the capital of Fars province, located in southwestern part of the Zagros Mountains, on an agricultural lowland at an elevation of 1,486 meters. Shiraz's history goes over 2 millennia ago, when a noble prince named Shiraz, with a heart as pure as the land itself, chose this place to build a city that would shine eternally. Archaeological evidence suggests that the area where Shiraz now stands has been inhabited since the Neolithic era. One of the earliest settlements discovered is the famous ancient city of Persepolis, founded by Darius the Great, a ruler of the mighty Persian Empire. Persepolis, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, with its grand palaces, stunning bas-reliefs, and extravagant gateways, was a testament to the advanced engineering and artistic skills of the time. It was a symbol of opulence and power. But it wasn't until the 4th century AD that Shiraz truly started to flourish. It is interesting to know that the city's name itself may have derived from the ancient Persian phrase Tyrazes, meaning a city of roses. It was during this era that the city began to gain prominence, both as a cultural center and an important stop on the Silk Road. Fast forward to the 7th century, after the Islamic conquest of Persia, Shiraz became an important center of Islamic culture and scholarship. It played a significant role in the spread of Islam in the region. In 14th century, Shiraz had already become a renowned center of Persian culture and art. This was the time when the world was graced by the likes of Hafez and Sa'di, two of the greatest Persian poets. This is why it's called the City of Poets, and rightfully so. Their verses continue to inspire generations, celebrating love, wisdom, and the beauty of life. Hafez's tomb is a place of pilgrimage, and locals believe that by opening his book of poetry to a random page, called Fol-e Hafez, one can find guidance as the universe will speak. In fact, it's a tradition for many Shirazis to seek solace and wisdom in the verses of Hafez. In the 18th century, Shiraz was the capital of the Zont dynasty under Karim Khan Zont, who was a prominent leader and played a key role in unifying Iran. His rule brought prosperity to the city. Prepare to be transported further back in time, as we step into the citadel called Ard Karim Khan Fortress, a formidable stronghold, built in the 18th century. Its imposing walls and towering citadel served as a refuge for the rulers of Shiraz, illustrating the city's strategic importance throughout its history. Shiraz is also home to some of the most exquisite Persian architecture, such as the Nasir al-Mulk Mosque, and the Aram Garden, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. As we stroll through the vibrant streets of Shiraz, we encounter the Nasir al-Mulk Mosque, also known as the Pink Mosque. This architectural gem dates back to the 19th century and is renowned for its breathtaking stained glass windows that create a kaleidoscope of colors during sunrise, which makes it a must-visit destination for travelers from around the world. The Nasir al-Mulk Mosque stands as a symbol of beauty and devotion. Its intricate designs and vibrant colors fill our senses with awe and wonder. No visit to Shiraz is complete without a stroll through the enchanting Aram Garden. This UNESCO-recognized Persian garden is a true oasis of tranquility, featuring beautiful fountains and fragrant flowers. They're not just gardens, they're works of art that showcase the fusion of culture and nature. In the early 20th century, Shiraz played a role in the Iranian constitutional revolution. The city was a center of political activism and played a part in shaping the modern Iranian state. Shiraz is known as the birthplace of the world-famous grape variety, Shiraz, which produces some of the finest wines. Although the consumption of alcohol is prohibited in Iran today, the city's wine culture has a rich history dating back to ancient times. There is an interesting fact about Shiraz wine, that historically, the name refers to the wine produced around the city of Shiraz in present-day Iran. In the current era, Shiraz is an alternative name for the Syrah grape, mostly used in Australia and South Africa. As time went on, Shiraz adapted to the modern world, but it never lost its cultural essence. Today, it's a bustling metropolis, with a mix of old and new. The bazaars, like the Vakil Bazaar, offer a glimpse into traditional Persian architecture and commerce. Vakil Bazaar, an intricate labyrinth of narrow alleyways filled with colorful textiles, exotic spices, and hidden treasures. This bazaar, with its vibrant atmosphere, takes us back to a time when it was the heart of commerce in Shiraz. And let's not forget about the food. Shirazi cuisine is a delectable journey in itself, from the aromatic kebabs to the famous Shirazi salad with cucumbers, tomatoes, and a burst of lemon juice. And this is the end of our journey through the history of Shiraz, but the story of this city never truly ends. As the sun sets over the city, it's clear that Shiraz is more than just a place on the map, as its history from Cyrus up to now is remarkable. Whether you're a history buff, a poetry enthusiast, or just someone looking for a taste of the past, Shiraz is a city that promises to leave an indelible mark on your heart. Today, Shiraz, with population of over 2 million, continues to thrive as a center of education, culture, and commerce. The people of Shiraz are known for their warmth, hospitality, and love for their rich heritage. We hope you enjoyed this journey through the ages of this remarkable city. Remember to always embrace the beauty of our heritage. Let's retell this story by like, share, and subscribing for more exciting hidden treasures. Until next time, keep exploring and keep learning.